Hey guys, welcome back to Crafty Q. So today I have a very special video. I am doing a table setting for a viewer who wanted some suggestions on a red, white, and silver wedding theme. So keep watching if you're interested in seeing what I came up with. So first, to begin, we have our white chair covers, and then I added the red sash. And I just did a little bow. There's other fancier ways to tie these, but I think the bows look pretty cute. Okay, and moving along, we have our red satin tablecloth. I think the satin tablecloth makes it a little bit more elegant. You could use a red polyester tablecloth as well, but I think just to make it a little bit more fancy, I added the satin one. And then we have our white table runner, and then on the table runner I just added some red rose petals, and you can add as many or less rose petals as you like, but with all the other things I have going on, I didn't want to add too many to take away from the centerpieces. All right, so then we have our silver chargers. And as you can see, on one side I have red, these are the cloth napkins, and then I have my bling napkin rings. But I wanted to show you how I did it with the napkins on the actual chargers. But on the other side, I didn't add anything, just to show you that it still looks pretty nice because, again, you have so many other things on the table. But if you want to add that extra, cost in your budget by adding the red napkins, I think that will, be pretty as well. Okay, as far as the centerpieces, I did a few different things. Let me back up so you can see. So as far as the centerpieces, I did my dollar store jars, and then, I wrapped them in bling, and then I added to this one, I added a rose in the bottom. I took a bundle from the dollar store of the roses and just took one off the bundle and added to the base of that. And then the top portion, I have my candle. Next centerpiece is just the one jar with the bling wrapped around. And then just to tie in some more white, I added my white roses. Here I have my little jars, and then I have my tea light candle. For the main centerpiece, I did the dollar store jars. And if you guys are interested in seeing how I made these centerpieces, please leave a comment below, and I can, do another video just to show you how I did these centerpieces. But again, for the center centerpiece, it is my dollar store jars. I have my bundle of roses, and then I attached 2 strands of diamonds, on either side. And then again, I have the candle at the bottom of this one, since I have the roses on top. And then I just repeated, the centerpieces by the jar with the tea light, the jar with the roses, and then this one with the rose in the bottom and the candle on top. So moving along, we have the backdrop. I'm not sure how blingy she wants her wedding to be, but if she is anything like me, then she would, add a little bling to her wedding. But if this is too much, which I can understand, you could do a red backdrop or a white backdrop. There's so many different ways to do backdrops, that you can create the look that you like. But for this backdrop, I did a silver bling backdrop. And then if you can tell, there's a red uplights. Just to kind of take away from some of that bling, I did add the red uplights. And maybe I probably would have added one more in the center, but it's all about what you like. And if you don't even want to add uplights, you don't have to. So I like this table setting. It was very easy to do, and it was pretty much budget friendly. So if you had to do this for so many tables, you can, not add as many of the centerpieces, and, not on every table, maybe do every other table, but, whatever you like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got some ideas, and please be sure to subscribe and share and like and hit that notification bell for more videos like this. And I will talk to you in the next one. Take care.